If you're selling your products on Amazon and you want to edit something on your listing, like if you want to change the title, change the bullet point, make some changes in description, or even change your images, then there are two ways available. Number one is you can just go on your Manage Inventory tab, click on Edit Listing and make some changes and click Save and Continue. But most of the time this method don't work. And in that case, you need to move on to the second method, which is upload via Flatfile. Yes, in that method, you need to download an Excel file from Amazon and then fill in the information in that Excel file, like for which ASIN you want to change which thing. For example, ABC is the ASIN for which you need to change the title. So in that Excel file, in the ASIN column, you need to type ABC, and in the title column, you need to type the new title which you want to change. And after filling out the information in that Excel sheet, you can just save that sheet, upload that sheet to Amazon Seller Central, and Amazon will update that information for that particular ASIN or SKU on that listing instantly or within 5 to 10 minutes. So these were the two ways. Number one is edit listing and number two is Flatfile. But what if after applying both these ways, you are not able to change the title, change your bullet point or change anything on your listing? So if that is the case with you, like after updating your Flatfile, after uploading that Excel file to Amazon, you are still not able to make the changes in your listing and you are stuck at this point. So if you are here to find out the solution for that, then no need to worry, I am here to help you out with this. And to get the solution, you only need to watch this video completely till the end, step by step, because this is a short video and right after watching this video you will actually get the solution of your problem in this video. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now and here I have just opened Amazon Seller Central. So in order to download that Excel file and upload that file on Amazon system, you just need to go on that left menu, navigation bar, and from here you need to go on catalog tab and then add products via upload. So after clicking on add products via upload, you will be able to see this screen. You can see that add product via upload, and on the top you can see these three bars. Number one is download spreadsheet, number two is upload spreadsheet, and number three is spreadsheet upload status. So in the download spreadsheet, you can just find the spreadsheet for your product category. So you can just download that template sheet and then you can just upload and fill the data of your product, like which thing you want to change for which product. And then after putting the data, after saving that file, you can just go and upload your spreadsheet here and click on browse file and upload that updated Excel file here, so your data can be updated on an Amazon listing. And if you want to learn step by step, like how you can find exact Excel file for your product and how you can fill the data, how you can upload that file, so to learn that process step by step, you can just go on YouTube and type how to upload Flatfile on Amazon. And from here you can see the second and third video of mine, like how to update Amazon listing with Flatfile. So if you watch this 8-minute video, then you will be able to learn the complete process step by step, like how you can find your category, find your Flatfile, fill your Flatfile and update that file. But then if after updating that Flatfile, your information is not still updated on Amazon FBA listing, then for that you need to click on this third option, which is spreadsheet upload status. So as soon as you click on this third bar, then you will be able to see all of those Flatfile which you have just updated in past. You can see that this was the Flatfile and this is the date and time on which that Flatfile was uploaded, and this was the name of that file, this was the batch ID, and this was the status. So here you can see that this Flatfile was uploaded successfully. That's why the status here is called done. So here is the thing where the main confusion occurs. You can see that in past I have just uploaded multiple Flatfile for this one category and all of the status for these Flatfile is showing me done. But that status done doesn't mean that all of the Flatfile are updated successfully. Like if your status is showing done, that means you have uploaded that file and that file has been uploaded, but not the data has been updated. If you want to check that if the data has been updated correctly or not, then you need to click on this download processing summary for that particular file which you have just uploaded. Then after downloading that processing summary, you need to open that file on MS Excel or on Google Sheet, and then there you will be able to see like if that flat file has been updated correctly without any error or not. And if there is any error, then that download processing summary file will show you that error, so you can actually go and correct that error in your Excel file and then save and upload that file again to the Amazon Seller Central as a flat file. So if after removing that error you upload that file, then your data can be successfully updated on your Amazon FBA listing. So let's just see how we can actually check for the errors for that file, like if this file has been updated successfully or not. So in order to download that file, I can just click on that download processing summary here. Then you can see that that file has been downloaded. So now I just need to open that file in MS Excel or even Google Spreadsheet. Okay, so here you can see that I have opened that file named Partition Processing Summary in Google Sheet, and this is the same file which I have got from Amazon after updating that flat file. So you can see that on the bottom I can just see some sheets, and the second sheet name is Feed Processing Summary. So in order to find out the error, like if there is any error or not, you just need to click on this Feed Processing Summary here. So as you can see here in this Feed Processing Summary, it is showing me that number of record process 1 and number of record with error 0 and number of record with warning 0. So here you can see that if your error and warning are 0 and process is 1, that means your file has been successfully updated and there is no error. So if your file is showing something like this, that means you are done and you can just go on your Amazon FBA listing and that information must be updated. But if your information is not updating, then you will be able to see any number here. Like for example, your file might be having 2 errors, 3 errors or 4 errors. So if you can see the number 2 here, that means your record summary is having 2 errors. And in the same sheet under that table, you will be able to see the details of that error, like what is that error and how you can actually solve that. Like this file will tell you the instruction step by step. So if you're getting any error, you can just follow that instruction, go on your flat file again, try to remove that error as per that instruction, and after removing that error or after making that correction, you can just save that file again, and then you can just go and add product via upload page again, and from this upload your spreadsheet, you can just re-upload the same file and wait for 2 to 5 minutes for that file to get processed. And once that file will be processed, go again on this third column, and from here download that processing summary to check out the errors. And if in the second attempt you are seeing 0 errors like this, then that means you are good to go and your flat file has been updated successfully. So if before watching that video you were having errors in your flat file, then right after watching this video, go there, try out that method and let me know in the comment box below if that method works for you, and if after following that method you were able to find out your errors and you were able to correct those errors in order to update the data on your listing. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.